Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a little bit different. As you can see, this is going to be our first video into the introduction of HTML coding. Now, as you can already tell, I've also got a mic, so finally, for those who have been asking for it. But yeah, so this is going to be a journey about how we code using, HTML and CSS. So yeah, and if it feels like I'm talking way too fast, it's because either I've drank too much coffee or yeah, I guess this is just my normal speed. But anyways, feel free to pause the video and rewind if you're having trouble keeping up. Other than that, let's get into it. So, uh, the first thing you need is a IDE or a development environment. In this case, I recommend Visual Studio Code. I think it is a wonderful tool because not only can you code HTML and CSS, but you can also code, other languages as well, such as C, Python, Java, JavaScript, you name it. It's all from the top of the head. But anyways, yeah. So HTML. What you need to know is HTML file formats are basically used for, you know, your websites. That's basically it. So I am now going to type out the basic outline, like the document structure of an HTML. So we're going to begin with this, and then doc type HTML, and then go down, and then we write HTML lang equals, oops, sorry about that, lang, which is the language of the page, equals en, that's English. So we close that. Okay, so you'll immediately see there's like a closing tag for the HTML. So that just tells us that it closes out that. Okay, so now we have an indent and then we put head. Now I'll explain what all of these things do in a minute, but just keep in mind. But first, let's just type it out. And then meta char set, which is the set of characters. And then the UTF-8 encoding space. Also, if my voice sounds distorted a bit, it's because the microphone's being placed in an inconvenient place. So if it does sound way too soft to you, then you should bump up the volume a bit. I do recommend that you bump it up because it can get soft sometimes. But yeah. So then we go to title, and this part, this line of the code, it basically serves as the tab's title. Every time when you open up a new tab, you see the title that's written on the tab that you just opened. That's what the title is. So I will just write that as I am I don't know, I'm just gonna name it from the top of my head. Batman. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Oh, okay. Okay, something's toying with me. Okay, that's weird. It's random. What the hell? Oh, okay, never mind. Right, moving on. Oh, we'll get back to that later on. So meta name. Oops, misspelled that. And then viewport followed by content equals, oops, just remember the equal should be close to the words. Equals device width and then close it out, followed by the head, and then next up is the body. Okay, so this part, the body section, that's where your content is going to be viewed. That's where like everything on the web page appears, all the graphics, all of the buttons and animations that you see, that's all within the body. So that's basically serving as your content. So let's just type again, I am Batman. Okay, what is going on? Did someone just... Okay, I keep typing Batman, but it keeps appearing as Man-Bat. Well, did someone fix my keyboard? Like, what is going on?